164, I am for the state.
166.
166. Lord, I am for the board.
The petition.
Lord, I am for the state.
My lord, your petitioner appeared in TET 2014, and he was shown unsuccessful at that point of time when in 2016 in the result published. In 2022, by a letter dated 21st December, in 2022, he received an OMR sheet, digitized OMR sheet, where the marks were shown, and being a reserved category candidate, he was successful.
But you was, according to your assessment, you were successful.
No, the pass marks is 82 for reserved category candidate, and
Is
he
Mr. Banerjee, cut short. Successful.
Page 20.
yes, he's a B.Ed candidate.
My lord's usual order. My learned friend had appeared.
But my lord, in 2016 he would have got an opportunity
Why?
because he's successful candidate
In?
in 2014. In 2014,
16 recruitment process, B.Ed was not a trained qualification.
Not it
2020, for the first time, NCT introduced.
I have prayed for the same as well. In 2020 recruitment process, he could get an opportunity. In 2020 also he could get an opportunity, but in 2022
What training qualification you have?
B.Ed.
B.Ed is no qualification at all.
He has appeared for DLED also in 2023 after he got to know
DLED.
regular DLED. He
Then what do you want?
he wants an opportunity for the same.
I don't understand. How can it be? How can it be? What is your prayer?
My lord, I am praying for an opportunity to participate in the recruitment process.
With B.Ed degree, you cannot.
No, but I have DLED. I have appeared for.
Prevent you next
Yes.
next recruitment process you apply. Who is preventing?
Sufficient age. He's only 33. The upper age limit is 40.
2020 selection process, B.Ed is not into training qualification. That
B.Ed
has
was.
been held by the Honorable Supreme Court also.
Only those who are recommended working, their jobs are saved.
So you participate in 2020 selection process.
He wants
20
to participate in the 2020 selection process, which is dead.
And 2016.
And 2016, where B.Ed was not a training qualification.
You applied under 2016,
Yes,
2020, but your
yes.
candidature was rejected.
I was shown unsuccessful at that point of time.
Because lack of your training qualification.
No, my lord, because of the marks.
Because of the marks was not counted. No weightage was given to your.
But that
B.Ed.
is the fault of the respondent authorities.
Why?
Because my marks is 87, and they were, now I got to know after the MAT 1594 in
MAT 1594 is stayed by the Supreme Court. 6 marks, give it in REM.
But I do not need the 6 marks. It is now fixed that if you get 82 marks and you are a reserved candidate, then you are passed. You are qualified.
In TET.
In TET 2014.
What is the date of that judgment? My learned friend is speaking about Justice
The
Gangopathyay's
judgment
order.
date is the 13th April 2023.
Great confusion you are creating. You appeared in TET 2014,
Yes, my lord.
right?
Yes, my lord.
You were declared unsuccessful.
At that point of time, but I was successful candidate.
At that point of time means?
In
you were
2016, when the result published, I was shown unsuccessful, but that was a mistake by the respondent authorities.
You have not challenged that.
I did not know. After I did an RTA application, I received a reply in 2022. Then I received a
22 reply, you got that you have scored.
87.
It is sufficient to get a qualification, right?
Yes.
As a reserve category candidate.
Yes.
My lord, I tell you, Lordship. My lord, I am a reserved category candidate. In TET, out of 150, I shall have to score 83. If I score 83 or above, I can apply for the recruitment process of 2016, for the recruitment process of 2020, provided I have a valid training qualification.
You don't have the validity, even if you are past candidate.
There are several untrained candidates were also appointed.
After the Supreme Court judgment, only those who are working, their jobs are saved. B.Ed is no qualification.
Then, my lord, I would request your lordship to keep it pending, because in math,
Marks.
no, math 873 Priyanka Noshkar matter is also
Again,
pending.
6 marks, you are banking one.
No, that is not a 6 marks.
I
That is for 32,000
I
untrained
tell you,
candidates.
lordship. I
Oh,
tell you.
that is untrained, whether they
Untrained is set aside.
in rem or
No. In rem is 6 marks. 32,000 MAT 873 of 2023. That's 32,000 is untrained candidates was set aside. Appointments were set aside. Matter went up to the division bench, then to the Supreme Court, remanded back, running in the list of the Honorable Division Bench. She prays that till the division bench decides, this writ petition should be adjourned sine die.
similar order in that way. So, an advocate for the petitioner prays that matter may go out of the list for the time being, as the fate of the writ petition is dependent upon the outcome of a pending appeal before the Honorable Division Bench.
Affidavit of service.
If you substitute-
My lord, may I take back the usual order?
ওটা রেখে দাও, কিছু করতে দিতে হবে। হ্যাঁ, এটা দিয়ে দেবো, দেবে সময় মতো।
Liberty to mention prior notice.
My lord, liberty to mention with notice to the other side.
হ্যাঁ, liberty to mention, যেরকম থাকে ইউজুয়াল অর্ডার করে।
167.
My man. I'm appealing, ma'am.
I am in for the statement.
What is this?
My lord, same. In TET 2014, the petition.
Same.
No, no.
Not particularly same. A similar matter. In 2014, the petitioner
Take it or you have to wait for some result to come.
Lordship can take it.
Take it. Kindly, my lord, the petitioner appeared in 2014, and later by RTI he received the digitized OMR sheet, and he received that he got pass marks. He's a reserved category candidate. But at that point of time, 2016, he was shown unsuccessful, and he has DLed regular, and he has not been called for the interview or any.
My lord, may I cut short the matter?
Yes.
I am a reserved category candidate. I am supposed to score 83, not 82. That was our decision. Justice Gangopadhyay in 2023 held that no, 83 is not the cutoff marks. 82 is the cutoff marks, because it came to 82.5. Relying on other High Court judgments, 82 should be the cutoff marks. This decision of this Honorable Court is 2022, November 2020. On the strength of this decision, I'm a pass out. I say that I was declared unsuccessful. I never had the qualifying marks in TET, which was 83. But now the court has declared in November 2022, 82. Therefore, I must participate in 2016, 2020, and 2022. I don't know.
Allow me.
So
Selection process is
Over.
But I received 82, and the by court's order, 82 is the pass marks.
Yes, by court's order, in which way? Before the selection process was concluded,
That is respondent authority's fault.
fault may be. You must be aware of the situation. How can it be reopened?
But for the fault of the responding
can it be
authority,
reopened?
I missed my opportunity.
Maybe there's something, maybe every time it cannot be reopened. Entire 2016 recruitment process will be reopened.
When there is
Mr. Banerjee, take it on your affidavit so that it can be fixed at its, altogether, not in
Very
this way.
Very well.
My lord,
Affidavit is
I missed my opportunity for the
I have to fix it.
Yes, yes, fix it. Fix it.
I have to fix it. There are, your this kind of allegation must be end of everything.
Yes.
To decide the issue under consideration. Sorry, the issue sought to be canvassed by the petitioner cannot be decided. Cannot be decided without inviting affidavit. Cannot be decided without inviting affidavit from the respondents. 321. 6 weeks.
Lordship has fixed it.
Give a detailed affidavit that this is a situation which cannot be reopened. By virtue of a judgment of the court, we have reduced the cut-off mark. The benefits were given to some of the parties who participated, who was allowed to participate. They have given. Now, all on a sudden, certain persons are coming after 6 years, 7 years, after knowing it, right to individual. There must be stop of it. That is the stand of the board, I suppose.
Yes.
It is a never-ending story.
I got to know before.
Even today, somebody applies, they supply it, yes, you have got it, and you will get, today I am knowing it. Your right to know accrues to you on the date of judgment. If you deliberately apply for under the right to, supposing limitation point starts from when? On the date you apply for, or on the date it was delivered. Limitation was started running from the date of Justice Ganguly's judgment. But you applied after 2 years or 1 year. Panel expired. Everything is over. Now you are saying that
I have to know my marks after 8 years.
Why didn't you apply earlier? I want to know
Because
my
I
marks.
was shown unsuccessful. I lost my hope.
Very well, I understand. But the one judgment has reopened everything. And today, if I open it, tomorrow there's another set of the SOT. Why shouldn't I be deprived?
Not another 1,000.